What are you guys talking about?
Hello, Uncle Keith.
Look at Hayden. Maisie, what do you want to tell him? We're going to send it to him later.
Uncle Keith, boo!
Griffin, you want to say something to Uncle Keith?
Boo! Uncle Keith, Keith.
Keith. Okay, should we say bye, Uncle Keith?
No, I want to talk to Uncle Keith.
Okay, talk to him. Tell him something.
Hello, doos. Boo! Watch it, I'm gonna be frozen. Boo!
Griffin, what are you doing?
Boo!
Hayden, kind of weird, gotta tell you. Oh, Griffin just fell off my foot. Griffin! Griffin, can you show Uncle Keith where your belly button is? Okay, we say bye now?
No.
Bye.
Bye, boo, Uncle Keith.
Griffin, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Uncle Keith.
Uncle Keith. Bye-bye, Uncle Keith.
Bye.